love doing all the cows, right? And then putting your product in. And then the best bit is like when you just dress it out, you know, you get that comb in there, the wide tooth comb, with your fingers, and then, you know, you literally drag out those cows. It is amazing. So I've just literally curled my blockhead, right? Okay, let's just bring it up a bit. Whoa. So I've done the beach wave effect, so I've just curled it all. I'm just putting in some shine spray. Now, I would have texture spray in it, but I haven't got any here. It's all at the salon. But yeah, I've just done the curl method in my doll's head. Look at all that. You can see how that's gonna be like really, really beachy. So yeah, I'm just so excited. Right, so I'm just gonna pop her back down. Just gonna find my wide tooth comb. Somewhere in here it shall be, he says. Dun, 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 dun. No, it's not in that bag of tricks. So it must be in this bag of tricks. Dun, 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 dun. And no, that's annoying. So where's my game gone? Oh no! Only happens to me. Hang on, when I'm filming. I thought I had it all out. Dun, 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 dun. Only happens to me. Ugh. Where's that gone then? Bum, 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 bum. So I've got doll's heads everywhere. Doll's heads, doll's heads, doll's heads. Right. One moment. It's so embarrassing. But the thing is, that's me, do you know what I mean? You know, you'll be guaranteed to get a laugh out of that. Right. I'll be back. 2 seconds. It's gotta be somewhere. Da, da, da. One moment. Right, that's so annoying, right? It's always in here, yeah? So open it. Right? And it's not in there. How annoying is that? No. That is so annoying because it's my favourite kind. Do you get that? Like, you know, you have your favourite things, don't you, to like work with? I can't believe that. Because normally I've got it. That's so annoying. Sorry about this, everyone. I don't understand where it's gone. I really don't understand where that's gone. No, that's so annoying. One more look, and then if not, I'll have to just do it with me brush. I've used it. I don't know. I can't understand where that's gone. Oh, do you know what? It's here. Oh my god. I'm so sorry about that. But I didn't want to pause the video and oh god. All along, right? It was in it was over there on my kitchen sink because I've washed it all up. And oh my god. Normally I put it back in there, but because it was like drying out, I left it over there. Right, so that's obviously gave you all a chuckle. So I've got my wide tooth comb here, right? So I've put all my product on, and what I'm gonna do, I would normally get the clients to tilt their head back, okay? And then I would literally just run it all the way through, like that, all the way through. Okay, nice and softly, all the way through. So you can see, look at that movement already. So what I'll do then is shake the hair, okay? And I would normally have like texture spray, but all my products are at the salon. So I've only got a certain amount here, but I should have brought it back really. But can you just see that already, look, can you see how all those curls have broken up and it's looking really, really beachy. And then I would get my hands in and just scrunch it up a little bit. Gives it that sort of beachiness I feel. Look at that. Wow. So I'm really sorry to keep you waiting because I had to find my comb. That was so annoying. Right, so then once I'm happy, I'd ask my client to put their head back up. Okay, so let's bring you down. And then just put my hands all in, just gives it that real defined look. And like I said, you know, the texture spray, which I haven't got here. Just a little bit of oil, just put the oil through. Just really get your hands in there, just really scrunch that hair. Okay, get your hands right in. Can you see all that texture building up? And then once you're happy, like the texture spray is nice because it's got like a nice firm hold, but you could like put some hairspray in. But you want it that real beachy like feel, you know? Say she's just been in the sea, you know, she's just like sunbathed on the sand, you know, the hair's wet and it's just dried in that sunshine, you know? But yeah, look at that. Doesn't she look gorgeous? Bring her around there. This camera. Look at that. So I'm just going to hold her from on the back. So I'm just bring all the hair forward. You know, so when like all the hair like sits over the shoulders, just looks amazing. So yeah, that is my go-to tutorial with the curls to give you that real nice beachy feel. It just gives you summer vibes instantly. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this tutorial how to sort of dress out the hair. Look at that. Okay, so thank you ever so much, and sorry about like me trying to find my comb, but you know, like this is filmed live, you know. Well, obviously to me it's live because obviously I'm recording it and then I upload it. But yeah, it's just the way I roll. So I hope you've all enjoyed the tutorial on how to like dress it all out and a little bit of a laugh at the same time. But But yeah, just look at that. Just look at the texture, the movement. It's such a summer vibe feel. So yeah, so thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.